I'm sending home for you a science experiment, and it's about germs. You're going to get a little dish of water from your house, and you're going to fill it up with water and sprinkle pepper all over the top of the water. Then when you stick your finger in the pepper water and take it out, you'll see all this pepper all over your finger. You might call them germs. Then you're going to put your finger in another bowl. Maybe it would be better to use a new finger. And it's going to have just soap in it, like liquid dishwashing soap. Then you'll put your finger again in the water with the pepper germs and see what happens to the germs. They run away from that soap. And that tells us why it's important to wash our hands, because it makes all the germs run away